everyone. I'm Rebecca Lombardo, host of VendorVibes and Fractional CMO. Today, I'm here with Christy from Wister. Hello, Christy.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. So can you tell me a little bit about the company and what you guys do?
Oh, of course. So we specialize in hospitality insurance. I've been writing hospitality insurance, don't want to give away my age, since 1988. We've seen the evolution of the hospitality, the bed and breakfast industry, and we're the experts. It's that simple. That's what we've done for almost 40 years now.
And what would you say makes your company unique or special?
Our knowledge. We know the marketplace, we know the customer, we know what you do, and we know what carrier to marry you with in order to provide you with the best coverage.
Excellent. And where are you guys based? Do you work with companies mainly in the United States?
Correct. We're in all 50 states.
And do you have to have a certain size accommodation type or a special lodging type in order to work with you?
Not at all. Not at all. So if it falls within the hospitality umbrella, we can write it. What we don't write are chain hotels, franchise hotels, because there's just scads of programs out for those individuals. What we do write is the old-fashioned bed and breakfast, the new morph bed and breakfast, where the owners no longer live there, but they rent out their house for 4 or 5 separate parties at a time. We write the boutique hotel, the hunting lodge, the fishing lodge, the full-blown resort, with spas, without spas, with restaurants, without restaurants. If you're a bed and breakfast and don't serve breakfast, that's fine. The industry has really evolved from what you consider the Victorian bed and breakfast from the 80s until what's happening now. And surprisingly, we kind of thought that the bed and breakfast model would kind of go the way of the dodo, basically, because the vacation rental model is so prevalent. But what we've noticed now is, and there's been market studies, that the average B&B goer, who I thought in my mind would be in their 60s or 70s, are now in their 20s and 30s. The average B&B owner is now in their 20s and 30s, which I was wonderful to see that. But again, the definition of bed and breakfast has changed dramatically. Usually breakfast isn't served anymore. Maybe it's juice and yogurt. Usually the owner doesn't live in the same house. They might live on property. So it's changed, and we have made sure that the insurance coverages have changed with the industry.
Do I need to have anything in place in order to work with you guys, like any pre-existing insurance?
No, you don't. We take brand new property owners. We take folks that have maybe not had coverage before and tell them why they need the coverage. And of course, people that have been in the industry 10, 20, 30 years, will write them as well.
Excellent. So if you think about your happiest customers right now, why are they so happy with you?
Well, anytime a claim's paid and paid correctly, those are happy customers. The one thing about insurance, it's an intangible, really. You're buying the promise of future service. So the person that you want to speak to are the people that have had claims. And how are the claims handled? Were they resolved correctly? Were you satisfied? That's the happy customer. And that is our goal, to make sure if there is a claim, we're there with you, we help you, and it's resolved to your satisfaction.
Excellent. Now, if somebody hears this and they want to take the next step or reach out to you, what's the best way to get in touch?
Just shoot me an email.
Perfect. I love it. That's great.
Try to make it as easy as possible for people to do business with us.
That's what you should do. It's awesome.
Right?
Well, thank you so much for your time today. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Cheers, everyone.